This 50mm F1.4 Pentax Prime delivers outstanding sharpness and contrast from the center right out to the corners, making it a strong choice for high-resolution, full-frame bodies. Its very wide maximum aperture allows for shallow depth of field and smooth background blur, so portraits and subject isolation look refined even in low light. Autofocus is driven by a high-torque ultrasonic motor that feels quick, confident, and quiet in real use, even when moving the substantial glass elements. The weather-sealed construction with multiple internal seals inspires confidence when shooting in rain, dust, or cold conditions alongside Pentax weather-resistant camera bodies. Advanced coatings on the glass do an excellent job controlling flare and ghosting, so backlit scenes and night cityscapes retain clarity and rich color. The 9-blade rounded diaphragm and close focusing distance combine to give pleasing bokeh and attractive rendering for detail shots and environmental portraits.